Hey guys, welcome back, and today I am going to be doing like stuff for this. I'm so happy about these two items, but yeah. So, in here, and put it in this little cup. And here my little activator water. This got this soap in there. Okay guys, so let's get started. So I'm gonna do it on the table right here. Like I said, I finished. Need the shower is through the background. But let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so this is a cute background. Look at it. So guys, I don't want this in my way right now. Yeah, so we'll get started. So I got my video. So guys, so let me start it. Hey guys, welcome back, and today I am going to be testing out Dollar Tree shampoo, conditioner, and wash thing, and dog thing. My dog flew this time. Okay, so the first one is Dove. Here. Let's smell it. Pretty good. I'm trying to get some out. Look at that. This is really good, so it's not good. So I'm gonna add that in the video. I'm gonna be testing them out on my hand. So yeah. Okay, next on the dog soap. Pretty good blue, pretty color. Put think a little bit. That's all I drop. It looks so cute. Got on my pants. Okay, so the next one is this one. And you can see it's fluffy, not fluffy, fluffy. There you can see a good angle. Y'all know, like y'all say, why are you going a little bit not happy? So I don't feel good today. And I got through it because I choked and drank that one. So this is pretty good right here. Soft. Fluffy. This is good. Oh my god, I keep putting up in the camera. Oh, y'all can smell it. Okay, the next one is body wash. You'll see it. Boom, boom, boom. This is pretty cute. And smells pretty good. Okay, this one is clear. And it's jiggly. And I want to see my next video. Can I make slime with it? Stuff like that. So guys, so that I was going to say another one here. I got these So I really like these. They smell good. Y'all can see inside of it. Good. It's white like other shampoos. And then the same thing, but it's clear. This one white and this one clear. And this one like the same. This one like the same thing. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, so here's all my shampoo. But y'all now, let me go back over. You need to get these. These are pretty good. That's why y'all see my hair kind of a little bit poofy today. Stuff like that. So, this is clear one. Y'all can see I just fill it. It's clear one. This is a white one. I know they're matching bottle, but this is my... This is the white one. This is the body wash. This is Dove right here. I just smell.